Hello and welcome to Bit Trading. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here, and today we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to go through what has happened and what we expect to happen within the price of Bitcoin and some key levels as well. So if that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and turn that bell notification on so you never ever miss another video. And make sure you watch the video until the end because I am going to give you some valuable information. Before we jump into the charts, I just want to let you know you can click the link in the description, head over to bittrading.uk, click join Bit Trading here, and you can gain access to the free courses that we have there available for you. We also have the Visionary Discord there as well, which gives you access to, of course, the Visionary Discord, where I give my trade setups away. As you can see, we've taken some profit at 779%. Really nice take profit point. And this trade that I actually gave to my Visionary members all the way up here was at one point, okay, this was a trade that I gave them here was their setup. At one point, this trade was in 1,290% in a profit because we have had a big pullback within the price of Bitcoin. So this is what we're going to talk about in today's video. Now, a few things I just want to let you guys know. It is Friday, remember, okay, this is when volatility tends to drop off within the markets, okay. Last night we had lots of volatility coming, bearish volatility, but today we are going to start to see the volatility possibly drop off because Friday evening, Saturday and Sunday during the day, we don't tend to have much volatility in the markets at all. And then Sunday evening is when the volatility starts to actually pick up again. So yeah, just remember towards the end of the day, volatility is going to drop off massively. So looking for trades today isn't the best thing. Only, if you're going to keep these trades open for, a number of days. But if you're looking to keep a trade open for a number of hours, then there is a possibility to enter into a trade. So I just wanted to clarify that with you. But looking at the price action, what can we see? Well, Bitcoin has had a big pullback as of last night, and I was saying, I was warning you guys of this pullback in yesterday's video because, okay, we had a bullish case scenario. Okay, we did have a bullish case scenario here, and I told my team that I was actually entering into a long position. Okay, obviously that long position did get stopped out. Okay, and I did tell my team that because that long position has been stopped out, that was the only bullish case scenario that we had. Okay, so now we are looking for lower prices. Okay, and I came on to YouTube and I told you guys that the lower prices we are looking for are actually 27,430. That is the target that we are looking for. Okay, and two things can happen from that level. Okay, we can either bounce off of that level, okay, and come back up to this range here, or we could get accepted back into the range, okay, this previous range here, okay, and then we could possibly take out these POC levels and the value area low levels. Okay, and that's exactly what happened. Price has completely wiped out the POC, has completely wiped out the value area low as well, and it even actually wiped out the low of this previous range here. Okay, as you can see, it completely wiped out that low. As we can see, we're actually swing failing from that low as well, which is actually a very bullish sign. This is a very bullish candle. It was very bearish and the price has been bought up. So it is very, this is actually looking fairly bullish. Okay, and you could even argue that there is a trade setup right here. Okay, but for me, right now, the setup just isn't looking too good, right? Because we would be targeting sort of 29,000 here. But you can see the stop loss is at 11.46%. Okay, so and if you look at the profit, it's only 8.89%. Okay, so the risk to reward ratio on this isn't too good at all. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why I'm not entering this trade here. The risk to reward ratio isn't looking too good, but it is a valid trade setup. So, it is a possible trade if you're willing to, risk that much for that much profit. So, the risk to reward ratio isn't too good for me, which is why I haven't entered as of yet. But if anything changes, I will enter, and of course the first people to know about it will be the people on the Visionary Discord. But yeah, we're looking very bearish for the price of Bitcoin. We were, it's actually looking fairly bullish right now, but we will have to see. We're gonna have to wait and see what happens over the course of today. Okay, remember, volatility is most likely going to drop off towards the end of the day. Over the weekend, volatility is going to be almost non-existent, and then Sunday evening it's going to kick on. Okay, so Sunday evening I will be doing a daily market update, probably with my team. resetting the charts and taking a fresh look at it coming Sunday evening, Monday morning, depending on when I do it. And then we're going to take a fresh look and look at the levels that we are potentially going to be trading next week, okay? And yeah, the trade that we are currently in right now is this short position right here, which I did give to my Visionary members over on the Visionary Discord, okay? I'll just show that for you very clearly. I said it's a hedged short for me, SFP of range high and bearish open interest. That was a setup I gave my team, okay? And yeah, as you can see, we made some really nice profit on this trade. So yeah, if you want access to my trades, make sure you click the link in the description. Head over to bittrading.uk, join BitTrading here, and you can gain access to Visionary Discord. Also, we have free courses on there as well for you, so make sure you take advantage of that. But this is a very profitable trade, and yeah, congratulations to any Visionary members if you have followed along with this trade. We've made some really nice profits on this trade. It's been very profitable. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We're just gonna have to wait and see how today unfolds. But remember, volatility is going to drop off massively over the course of the weekend, so we're not going to be looking to trade over the weekend. Sunday evening, that's when volatility will open up again, and then we can start looking at a fresh chart for next week. And looking at the levels for next week. Sorry, but yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. And you Visionary members, I will see you in the next daily market update and the Discord as well. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you later. Goodbye.